Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to import photos from Pexels in GetStencil. First of all, go to getstencil.com and log into your account. Open a new or existing design where you like to add a Pexels photo. On the editor, click on the Photos tab located in the left sidebar. GetStencil has integrations with various stock photo sources, including Pexels, so you can access Pexels photo directly from here. In the search bar within the Photos tab, type keywords related to the image you are looking for and click on Search. Browse through the result to find an image you'd like to use. Click on the image you want and it will be added directly to your design. Resize the image by dragging it. Position it where you want it or use it as a background by stretching it to cover the entire canvas. Adjust the opacity, brightness or apply filters as needed. Once your image and design is finalized, click on Save and download the design in your preferred format for sharing or publishing. Using Pexels image through GetStencil is a quick way to access high-quality visuals without leaving the design interface. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.